It is with immense joy and profound pride that I welcome all of you to this historic signing of the sisterhood agreement between the province of Bohol and San Juan City. Today, we are not just signing a document, we are waving a historic thread that permanently connects our two progressive communities. When we look at Bohol, we cannot speak of partnership without invoking the sacred spirit of the Sandugo, the historic blood compact. Centuries ago on our shores, as Spaniards and a Boholano chieftain sealed an alliance of friendship and equality, not through conflict, but through shared honor. Today, we are bringing the very same spirit into the 21st century. This sisterhood agreement, our modern-day Sandugo, a bloodless covenant of mutual respect, shared vision, and an unbreakable bond between our people. Moving forward, this alliance serves as a vibrant launchpad for three core pillars. First, inclusive growth. We ensure that our partnership directly benefits everyone from our micro-entrepreneurs and local farmers to our tourism and tech workers. No community will be left behind as we share strategies to uplift every family. Second, innovation. San Juan City has long been a trailblazer in pioneering smart city technologies and localized digital services. Bohol, as a rising eco-cultural hub, stands ready to co-create creative and technological solutions that maximize our respective strength. Third, and perhaps most crucially, clean governance. Both of our administrations share an unyielding commitment to transparency, accountability, and citizen-led public service. Through this pact, we vow to share best practices that strengthen public trust and ensure that every peso serves our people honestly. Mayor Zamora and the delegation from San Juan City, you come to Bohol not just as visiting dignitaries, but a true brothers and sisters in progress. Together, let us prove that when local governments unite under a shared vision of integrity and forward-thinking leadership, the entire nation wins. Welcome to Bohol. Welcome to our new and bigger Sandugo, and cheers to a future of a shared prosperity. Thank you very much, og maayong pag-abot.